So if I want to insert a video, let's say I've got this video, it's a dog video, and I want to insert it into a learning page, into a learning section. So I'm going to go to my sprocket, I'm going to turn editing on for my course, and here is my current page, and I'd like to insert a video. Right now I've got a link to a Google Doc, I've got an image, but I'd like to add a video. So I'm going to not click on this pencil, which only changes the name. I'm going to click on this edit and edit this entire page. And there's the current page. Now, if I want to insert a video, let's say I watch this video, and I'll kind of make some space there. All right, so there's where I want the video to go. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to click on share. I'm not going to use this URL. This URL goes directly to the video. Rather, I'm going to click on embed, and I'm going to copy this embed code. And then I'm going to go to my page, and where I want the embed code. Now, if I just paste it right here, that's not going to work, because I can save and return and click, and there's the code. That's not embedded the video. So what I want to do is I want to embed that code in HTML. So what I need to do is go down here and delete that, because that's not what I want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this down arrow, and this link right here. Now your link, this button may be somewhere else on your screen, it depends on the size of your screen. But I'm going to click on this, and then what this does is allows me to see all of this ugly HTML code that's going on in the background. And I'm going to see, oh, right there, watch this video is where I want to put this video. So it doesn't matter where. I'm just going to highlight one of these rows, and I'm going to paste. So I'm going to do Command V. The code, that's the code that's going to allow me to insert that video. I can unclick the HTML button, and sure enough, look at that. Now that video is showing up the way I want it. I click Save and return to course, and here's my course. And if I click on the page, there it is, nice and perfect.